where we are now, where humans are getting help from AI systems. We're basically, they are aiding us in accomplishing our day-to-day work, and they're sort of there to ensure that we're able to be successful. At some point in the next few years, we're going to start seeing the second stage of this happen, where it really turns into effectively humans managing AI agents and humans overseeing AI agents. So, instead of us doing all of the day-to-day or the tactical work ourselves, we're going to delegate tasks to AI systems, and we're going to spin up 10 different AI agents that are all going to do various parts of a project, and we're going to sort of like project manage and oversee that entire process. And I think some people think that that's a temporary state, but I frankly think that that's going to be how this works in the future. I think humans are going to continue overseeing and continue effectively managing large scale of AI agents that get deployed throughout the economy. The last thing is, I think it's important to think through, there's a lot of decisions and choices that we have as a society, but fundamentally, we see that AI will be ultimately very good for the American worker. And I think it's important that we develop the technology, we build the technology to be supportive to the American worker. But there's also huge numbers of job opportunities being created in AI itself. So part of our business at scale, and we're just one of many, many companies, but last year, over 100,000 Americans had work opportunities that were created from AI and from improving data sets for AI systems. We believe that grows dramatically by many-fold over the next few years. And so jobs relating to AI and jobs in the AI ecosystem will actually be some of the fastest growing jobs in the world.
What are the skills that are going to be necessary for those jobs?
We were having this conversation backstage a little bit. I think what it really boils down to is a few key things. So one, there will be no replacement for expertise, for specialized and knowledge and expertise that only comes from years of experience in a particular area, where you just for example, journalism better than definitely everybody else, likely everybody else in this room, and that has only come from sort of experience and just being at the top of the game, right? So expertise is very important. The second is vision. We were talking about this backstage.